With today's fast-paced modern development, Gia Lai Province is working urgently to preserve and restore its historical and cultural relics. This is not only about protecting the past, but also about turning heritage into an asset that can contribute to the locality's sustainable development. And we have more in the following report.
Gia Lai Tower, a special national relic built by the Cham people in the late 12th century, is considered among Vietnam's finest Cham towers. In late 2025, Gia Lai launched a restoration project for the site worth more than $3.5 million. The Gia Lai Museum recently excavated Chuang Lui to collect archaeological evidence for its heritage ranking dossier and to support conservation planning as the site gains national significance.
Appropriate solutions are needed to protect the structure sustainably in the future. This will help promote the value of cultural heritage, serve people's demand to learn about history, and contribute to cultural heritage tourism.
In recent years, Gia Lai has used state funding and mobilized private and community resources to restore relics, protect them from deterioration, and improve access for visitors, researchers, and students.
We are tightening management of local relic sites, especially those near residential communities, to prevent damage or encroachment. We have also proposed province-wide regulations on their protection and promotion.
A number of restoration projects in Gia Lai have begun to show positive results, attracting visitor interest and encouraging local communities to take part in heritage protection. These efforts are helping turn heritage into a real asset for the region's sustainable development.